You're being treated like a lawyer right off the bat. You're getting good work. You're really learning how transactions work, or if you're on the litigation floor, you're learning how to run a file.
Everybody here has been really supportive. It's also taught me a lot of different areas of law that I didn't even know really existed or anything about, and I could just try my hands at anything that piqued my fancy.
So I got to do some very cool things that I never thought I'd get to do in my life in areas such as franchising, tax, intellectual property, and Indigenous law.
It's an office where you can do what you want and try what you want, and as part of that, develop your interests as a young lawyer.
I just got asked to do a small task on this file, which turned out to be a really big file, and I was kept up to date on developments that were happening in the case so that I could keep up with it. That has, for me, been my favorite thing because I'm getting to see this file go through all the stages of the process.
It was very helpful to know how a case goes from beginning to end in a courtroom, or how an agreement is drafted.
One thing that's unique to Gowling, I believe, is the ability for students to have sort of a deep and meaningful impact on long-term projects. For me, it's meant these very large sort of litigation files where I get to do all steps of the process. I'm deeply involved with a team. I know all about the planning of it.
Being able to work on an assignment, putting in a number of hours on that assignment, and having the lawyer that I was working with send that off to the client directly. And it's a recognition of your work product.
I think it does them good that the work we give them is directly useful to our clients.
What surprised me the most about being a summer student at Gowling was how close I got with my fellow students. I assumed I would become close friends with them, but the degree and the level that we work together has really allowed us to bond.
There's a lot of great social events at Gowling WLG. We went to the race courses. We'll go out and we'll meet up down by the water and have some drinks and some food.
Out of all the events I've attended, definitely the most fun one would be Ignite the Night. It's when Gowling WLG rents out the English Bay Cactus Club. You get front row seats to the show, you don't have to wait on the beach, then you get a buffet dinner, open bar.
I don't see why I'd possibly ever want to go anywhere else when I already have a well-developed group of people that I enjoy working with in an area that I enjoy working with.